Alright, what we're going to do is stick a new shift rod on. It's an upgraded shift rod. It's got the ball joint in it. It's also got a bracket where it doesn't go like this through your shifting housing. It's straight all the way down through. Alright, so what we'll do, go over here to the motor and we'll stick the shifting rod on. It's got 8mm bolt.
Go.
Alright, what we're going to do first, we're going to take the battery and the battery box off and make it a little bit easier for you. Set it aside. And then once you're done with taking that off, we're going to take a nice little set of bolt cutters and we're going to cut the rod. And what you're going to see is an angle on the rod where it comes through. Goes through your handle. Alright. You want to take it as close as you can to this angle here. Put it in your cutters and just snap it off. Alright. Take this rod here. It'll lift right up and it'll come right off of your shift rod. Alright. And then what you want to do when you're doing that, you want to take your neutral safety switch here. You want to put it in neutral, okay, and make sure that you have the best position so it's not going to interfere with your shift, with your starter. Alright, once you got that position marked, that's where you want to put your shift rod knuckle in. Your ball joint, got an 8mm socket.
Go.
And tighten her down. That's it.
Okay.
Alright, you get a pre-assembled shift handle, just like that. Alright. What's going to happen is you're going to get this ball joint up in there. You're going to take a 1/4 inch Allen key, take this handle off, stick your shift lever through your position here and into your handle. Alright. And then this piece right here will go in your shift linkage right at this point right here. And you'll tighten down the Allen key and